Okay guys, so we have arrived first place.
We came in oldest place what we have in Georgia, in first capital, what we call Tbilisi. Just we are up on mountain. Around we have very nice church, monastery, very unique, very old, which is under fund UNESCO. We have here like 2 monasteries, wall and towers. What else? We have very amazing view from this mountain.
So we will get inside and let's see how it is. Come. That was our first place. We'll move into the next. See you there. This water has to be drink like this, and it's super cool. It's chilled water. Alright, that's all about this place. I cannot take you inside because it's very dark inside. You cannot see anything there, and it looks awesome. Look. So let's move to the third spot.
And so on and so on. After this, Mother of Georgia, by walk we come down, okay? We see this castle, but we're not going inside, otherwise you will lose too much time. We come down, we see a waterfall, canyon, love bridge, hammam like salfa.
So guys, there is a small surprise for you. Guess who is lying behind me? Hello! I finally found this church, Kela. I was looking somewhere here, but see this. This is honey and this is?
Phonogram is Isabella.
Isabella.
Saferavi.
And this is Saferavi. How much it is?
Suare. S2, S3.
I was trying to find out this since morning. This is called Charge Kela, and this is taste. This is the taste of honey, and that's the another one. You can see. This is a local made sweet. So hopefully this is good. And this is cost 2 lari. So almost like 75 cent. And that one is 3 lari, so like $1. That's nuts. And it mixed up with honey. Max, come. So this is Max. That's a Siberian Husky. I'm not very sure you can hear me out or not. It's too much noise back. We came to a Georgian restaurant to have a local food. Basically we came for a dinner. See, it's 8:23 and the sunlight is still there. Nada, how are you?
Oh,
How was your day?
super.
This is a Georgian mineral water. Trust me, this tastes like a beer. I've never had this kind of mineral water in my life. Alright, that's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're first time into my channel, consider subscribing, and also you can check these 2 videos on your screen. If you want to subscribe from here, just hit my face, you'll be done. With that said, as always, stay healthy and stay blessed. Bye. So this is going to be a tutorial video how you can quickly unshell an egg, a boiled egg. This is very easy. Just take this. Here it is.